Okay, welcome back to the channel. Last week you saw us take the roof off the Mark 1 with Chorley from Chorley's Top Shop. That's really tough to say. He was the expert. He helped us, or rather we helped him, take the roof off the Mark 1 Golf. And so this week we continue on stripping it down ready for paint. So I'm going to be getting the interior out, the trim off, windscreen wipers off. We're going to be taking the seats out, all of the badges and various different bits and pieces. We'll see how far we go. The engine and gearbox has also got to come out, but that may be in next week's video. Let's see how we get on. I think the first job then is to take the rear seats out. Probably to empty the car of all the stuff that we don't actually need. So various trim pieces. Don't know what that is. I imagine it's probably off the roof. Nuts and bolts and whatnot. So I have a box ready to store all this stuff in. Going to try and reuse as much trim as possible, and where it's damaged we'll have to buy new. Trim's already off this side. Am I missing a piece? I didn't think I was. And this side's stuck on with paint. That's nice. Right. I'll maybe get that squab out first. More bits of roof.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. go, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, so onwards with stripping the back end, and here we go with the side trims and the front seat belts and the rear seat belts and all that sort of stuff. You're wondering what that piece of cardboard is in the back? That is how I'm keeping track of all of the various different screws, nuts and bolts that I'm taking out of the car. If I take these all out, put them in a pot, I will lose them. It's guaranteed in the period of time that the car is in the painters. So let's put them in a piece of cardboard, write on it where they come from, and hopefully when we come to put it all back together again, everything will be just fine.
But I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain, till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Go.
Let's drag the car back outside so I can get the doors open and get the door panels off, window winders, all that sort of thing. The painter is going to remove the windows and the window trim, all that sort of stuff, so that's one less job for me. Right, that's it for this one. So that's the interior stripped, all ready for going off to paint. That's it for this video. The next one will be taking out the engine and box. See you next time.